Let me tell you I love you, baby. 너 지금 어디야?
Welcome back. It's 2019. Woo! Oh my god. Happy New Year, everybody. I have not made a video since last year. I just had to have that joke in there somewhere. I've been using it constantly. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for the new year because I've not done a makeup tutorial since last year. Love it. Gotta keep going with those last year jokes. So yeah, I'm just gonna talk to you guys, probably talk about my 2018, probably talk about what I'm gonna do for 2019. Hopefully I talk. Sometimes I just forget to talk and I don't talk. Also, I'm sick. I went out in the rain a lot yesterday and I'm dying. I have a respiratory infection. I should have not been outside in the cold weather, but you know what? It's fine. You win some, you lose some. Let's get started. So I guess I am gonna go off camera because I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows using the, not those colors, oops, the Benefit Desi Perkins Bomb Ass Brows Kit. I love this thing. You don't really need to get this. I got it because I love Desi and the packaging is rose gold and that is like a big theme in my room. Rose gold and yellow, yeah, that's cute. All the stuff they sell individually in their silver packaging, but like if you want to support my girl Desi, then you know you can go ahead and get yourself one of these. Also, I've been breaking out a lot. I'm sorry if I look at myself a lot. I'm filming a makeup tutorial. I don't know what you want me to do. I can't look straight into my makeup. These lenses or my contacts are Olens Spanish Real Brown. If you want to get them, they will be linked down below. I'll always have my contacts linked down below for you guys. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. Also, I straightened my hair and I put it in tight braids, hoping I would have like a beautiful like curly hair. I ended up getting this and I really don't want to fix it. For primer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer as my primer. As my eye primer actually, not my face primer. Boop, boop. And then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. I've like had this need to like blow my nose every 54 seconds and like I don't know why. Blowing your nose on camera is not cute. But who cares? It's my channel. I post whatever the heck I want. So today I'm going to be using my handy dandy Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette because I've not used this in a hot minute. I might use this and also use the Morphe 9N that I got for Christmas from my best friend. Thanks, Adelie. It's not a tutorial, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm doing to my eyes. So I'm not going to set my concealer or anything, just because we don't do that anymore. How are you guys? Like I said, I haven't made a video since last year, so, you know, we're here, we're back at it. So I don't really know what I have in store for the channel. Like I said, I'm starting school again, and last semester just having school and having to balance the YouTube channel was a little bit hard. I just really have to learn how to like manage my time better. I don't know if I want to have you zoom in or out. Just because I feel like the only time I ever fully do my makeup is like for a video for you guys. Hopefully I like don't get sidetracked with that and like I still stay like consistent and stay posting. I don't know why that sounds so weird, like so funny to me. Stay posting. Sounds like a drug. Plus I have 2 jobs, so I also have to like keep that in mind that I'll have to like go to school, film, edit, and work my 2 jobs, which like I said will be a little stressful. My eye shape is kind of weird. Like everyone else's eyeshadow is kind of like, I feel like everyone's eyebrows like this to their eye, and mine just have like all this space, and I still have to like learn how to work with my eye shape, which is I think one of my like biggest problems. But hopefully what I said kind of made sense because sometimes I feel like I'll say something. I'm not good at explanations if you like couldn't tell by now. So I don't know if I should turn that light off. I feel like it's a little too overpowering now, but like I've already committed and like I don't want to turn it off. I hope that's brown or purple. I really don't want to risk it. Oh, risk it for the biscuit. That's what they all say now, huh? It's this eye. Every time I run like something like right in my crease, just a line develops. And I don't know why. This side is so pretty, and this side, that line is so stupid. I should probably do this now while I'm here, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a moisturizer, and this is the Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and it just makes my skin look really glowy. I think the last time I used this was literally in my Pentagon Kino makeup tutorial. Bump, bump, bump. I don't know which lashes to go for. I have my Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos, or I have my Eyelure Vegas Snake Collection in the style Bronzed Beauty. I think I'm gonna go with Mykonos because like new year, new lashes. So while that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. So I already did the moisturizer, but now I'm gonna go ahead and like prime, and I have this sample of the No Pore Blend primer. I'm gonna stay away from my cheeks for now, but normally I just stick to moisturizing primers on my cheeks, but I don't know how moisturizing this is, or like the product just feels like super smooth. Put the rest on my cheeks just because, even though I kind of went against everything I Literally just said tea. So the lashes are on. So I already talked to you about how school is coming. I'm finally gonna be a full-time student. Right now I have 4 classes. I'm debating whether or not to take like a 5th class. I'm gonna drop my computer, like this computer applications class. So I might not like even have like 4 classes in total. I'll have like 3, which I don't want. I would literally want 4. So right now I'm just kind of like searching around and looking and seeing what class I could like take. Like nothing interests me. There's not that many class options either way. And because the semester is about to start, lots of things are like getting filled up. So I should probably like just start looking for classes. But instead I'm here filming this video. I've not used this foundation in a while. This is my summer shade too. Just keep that in mind. So I am a little bit paler, but the good thing is my neck is kind of dark, but like, oh my god. You're just gonna have to like cover that up, sis, because we don't have time to switch out foundations right now. Oh my god. We'll just wear a turtleneck. We'll be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and like set my face using my Patrick Star MAC powder. Oh my gosh, I haven't even talked to you guys about anything. I'm telling you, I can't talk. Ooh, I might go to Cancun this summer, which I'm really excited for. Well, I guess summer, but it's like the first week of June. I think we're only going for a week. They're not too sure if it's gonna be like sometime in May or sometime in June. But for me to be able to go to Cancun, I have to like work on like my summer body, which is going good. I've lost a lot of weight, the healthy way. I still eat and everything. I don't overeat anymore, which was like my biggest problem, because like even though I was stuffed, I would still like continue eating, which is not like good. And I haven't had fast food in a while, which is good. But I feel like I'll have like 1 chicken nugget and I'll like gain all 8 pounds back. So I'm kind of like stressed about that. I still eat like normal. I just like portion my food better. I work out, I want to say 2 to 3 times a week. But I'm not really big on like working out, so I try not to like that be like my main source. Even though if you do add working out, I'm sure you'll lose weight like a lot faster. I also don't like snack off like really unhealthy things like I did before. I'm the type of person that like if I'm bored or like just anything, if I'm bored, if I'm like depressed, if I'm stressed, I'll just eat. So I try not to like binge eat, I guess. And like I used to have an eating disorder when I was like younger, and like I think it kind of went on for 2018 too. I could make like a whole like get ready with me and like talk about that. It wasn't like a healthy, like it was obviously eating disorders are like unhealthy, and it was bad. Like I thought I was like losing the weight, but I like kind of stayed the same, or like I would gain even more. So like in my videos you can tell how I kind of like my body like fat, kind of like my face fat fluctuates. Like I'll get skinny and then I'll get chunky, and then like my face will get skinnier and then I'll get chunky. Some of it is like just my face being bloated because I film every morning and my face is always bloated. I don't have it anymore. Like I said, I've just been going like the healthy route, even if it'll take me until June. We might go to the beach this year. I'm kind of excited too. I'm not sure. We don't really take family trips like a lot either way. Like if we do something, it'll be like once a year, and it'll only be like one thing. Like normally we go to Branson, but this year they want to go to Florida, which is fun. So hopefully we do Florida, because I'm not a big fan. Oh, Branson, Missouri, by the way. We go like every year and I'm already tired of it. I'll literally just sit in the hotel room because I'm so tired of it. They'll all go like play at the water park. I'm just like that negative Nancy like in the hotel room. But I don't know. We'll see what we end up doing. I'm kind of excited. Hopefully I can keep on like with this diet. I was supposed to start it in December, but who's gonna start a diet in December? Those are all like my plans for 2019. Just school and traveling. Of course more beauty videos because this is a beauty channel. I don't think I'm gonna incorporate anything else. I think the only other thing that I really add to my like beauty videos are like the vlogs, and then like my K-pop related videos, which I only have 1 on my channel, which I think is enough to keep the K-pop part on my channel banner because it's too late to take it off. Hopefully my voice doesn't like crack. When I was really sick, I was on FaceTime with a friend and like my voice just kept cracking and like it was really bad. I was gonna say I could talk to you about boys, but I'm not talking to anybody. I literally look like I'm 16. I'm 18. I'm gonna be 19 in February, so that's pretty fun. Another thing in 2019 is that I'll be 19. I'm a 2000s baby. Year of the dragon, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and change my shirt and I'll be right back.
What you doing, what you doing, what you doing, baby. 결국 너와 나의 결론을 보내. 하지 말고 한마디만 해. 너 지금 어디야?
So I just went ahead and put on like a black long sleeve t-shirt, and the other clips I am wearing like a different outfit because I did wear like a off the shoulder striped top and then a denim jacket. Since I'm so sick, like just like trying to look nice, kind of like I'm still not feeling good. Sorry if I didn't talk as much. Obviously it's hard for me to like just keep chit-chatting. I just have to get used to talking and doing stuff because like I said, when I do my makeup I just like to tell you what I'm doing. The good thing is I didn't sound like a 47-year-old smoker, so that's good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up because thumbs are cool, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of this face. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you all next week. Bye.